Root canal economics, understanding price differences in Europe and Turkey. If it's about dental health, one of the most commonly used and vital techniques is the root canal. It is necessary if the tooth's pulp gets damaged or infected. This can lead to extreme pain and the possibility of tooth loss untreated. But the price of root canals can vary dramatically based on the place you reside around the globe. In this short video, we'll explore costs of root canals in Europe as well as Turkey with regards to root canals. Root canal therapy is a delicate and complex procedure that requires the expertise of a dentist for the job. In Europe, the cost for an average root canal ranges between €300 up to €1,500 based upon the nature of the situation and geographical location of the dental practice. In places like France, Germany, and the UK with high costs of living is extremely high, the cost for a root canal procedure can be at the top end of the scale. If you live in countries like Spain as well as Italy that have a lower cost of living is affordable, the cost for a root canal might be more affordable. In contrast, Turkey is becoming an ever more sought-after destination in dental tourism due to the quality of its dental treatment with a lower cost. In Turkey, costs for the procedure can vary between €50 up to €300 and is the most cost-effective choice for people who want to lower the cost of their dental treatments. This cost includes the costs of the consultation, x-rays, along with anesthesia and the root canal treatment in itself. Then why does there exist such huge price differences across Europe and Turkey with regard to root canals? There are many things to think about. One of the major causes is the high cost of living and the labor costs in every country. In Europe, dental professionals must spend a lot of money on rent to their offices and also pay high wages to their employees. These costs are then transferred to the patients by way of increased rates for dental care. In Turkey, on contrary, there is less cost for the living expenses and labor is lower, which enables dentists to charge competitive prices for their service. Another aspect to be considered is the amount of competition within the world of dentistry. In Europe, the market may have smaller dental clinics within certain locations, leading to shortage of competition as well as greater costs for dental care. In Turkey, there are an increase in the number of dental practices, which results in higher competition as well as lower prices for patients. It's crucial to understand that the price for an appointment for a root canal should not be the only thing to take into consideration in deciding on a dental facility. The quality of treatment and the competence provided by the dental professional are also essential factors to be taken into consideration. In Europe, dentists are required to go through intense training and comply with strict rules for practice, which ensures an excellent level of service for their patients. In Turkey, dentists also get an excellent education and a lot are studying abroad in countries such as the US and the UK in order to enhance their knowledge. In the end, the price for a root canal may be very different across Europe and Turkey because of things like cost of living, labor competitiveness, as well as the standard of care. Even though Europe could provide better level of service, pricey prices could deter patients from getting treatments. Turkey, however, on the contrary, on the other hand, has inexpensive dental treatment with the same quality and care, which makes it a great choice for patients who want to lower the cost of their dentistry. The final decision on which location to undergo the root canal will come up to a decision of quality, cost, as well as the convenience of the patient.